All right, today I have a Cadillac XTS, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the hazard lights, also called the hazard flashers, also called the flashers, or maybe they might even be called the blinkers. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm inside of the Cadillac XTS. I'm behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, as you can see. And in order to turn on the hazard lights, hazard flashers, flashers, blinkers, whatever you want to call them, you're going to look towards this portion of the vehicle, right towards the middle console. You see this button right here? I'm getting closer so you can see it. Do you see that button right there? That button, the red triangle right there, that is the hazard flashers button. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press that. And when I press that, you'll see up on the instrument panel that both turn signals are flashing or blinking or bleeping, or whatever you want to call it, every time, bleeping. And that is indicative that the hazard flashers are on. Now to turn them off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back over here towards the center, and you see this button again, this one right here. Let me get it closer so you can see that triangle button. In order to turn them off, I'm going to press it again. I'm going to press it. And do you see that? Do you see what just happened right there? Now it is turned off. You see, and the radio is on. And now it's off. Okay, I just had to turn it off. So that's the hazard flashers are off. And that is how you turn on and off the hazard flashers. Next video, I'm going to show you how to turn off that beeping noise because it's annoying right now. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.